This is a video for MEI Core Pure Mathematics, Calculus 5, Volumes of Revolution and Mean of a Function, 5.4, Mean of a Function. This top diagram shows the area under the curve y equals fx between x equals a and x equals b. So it's this area here, the shaded area. In the bottom diagram, this rectangle has the same area as this area at the top, and it's across the same width. So the height of this rectangle here is the mean value of that function. It's the average height, if you like, of the function, and we call that ym. So let's have a look at this then. The area under the curve we know is just the integral between a and b of fx dx. The area of the rectangle is the width of it, which is b minus a, times its height, which is ym. And so these two we know are equal, and so ym is going to be equal to the integral between a and b of fx dx, and that's times by 1 over b minus a. And we will use this formula to calculate the mean value of a function. There it is, written up neatly for you, and you can see there's my formula. Okay, let's look at the mean value for this function, x times 4 minus x. The mean value will be the height of this rectangle, which is drawn on here showing the same area as a rectangle as is contained underneath the curve. I'm going to use our formula that we've got up at the top there. Ym is equal to 1 over 4 minus 0, and we can see that the width is definitely 4. Integral between 0 and 4 of x, 4 minus x dx. Well, that's just a quarter, the integral between 0 and 4 of 4x minus x squared dx, and that's just a quarter of 2x squared minus x cubed over 3, and that's evaluated between 0 and 4. And that gives me a quarter. That's going to be 32 minus 64 over 3, and the rest of it comes out to be 0, and so that just gives me 8 over 3 in the end. Again, there's that working tidied up for you, and you can see our final result 8 over 3 down at the bottom here. So remember, the mean of a function is just the area under that function divided by the width. You can either remember that formula or remember the technique. That was the final video in the sequence Calculus 5, Volumes of Revolution and Mean of a Function.